Hello, our project focuses on the energy renovation of a school. So the goal was to improve the building's energy performance by incorporating a low-tech approach, which means using simple and accessible solutions. Why renovate? Well, energy renovation is a major interest in improving user comfort through air quality and thermal comforts. It also reduces the building's energy requirements and ultimately the municipality's energy costs. Finally, our school must comply with the tertiary decree, which stipulates a gradual reductions in energy consumptions. Our solutions will have to adapt to these expectations. Our work began with an analysis of an energy audit that had already been carried out on the sites. We then visited the school to identify existing problems. At the same time, we modeled our school using thermal simulation software to identify the main areas of heat loss, and we then researched low-tech solutions so that we could then include them in three different renovation scenarios. The first scenario involves making small changes to the building equipment, such as switching to LED lighting and reducing the temperatures of the corridors. It enables savings of 28% in electricity consumption and 34% in gas consumption. The second scenarios involve making changes to the insulation on the walls. This reduces our heating needs and so 54% of our gas requirements. Finally, the third scenarios is our decarbonization scenarios, combining elements of the first two, and we added a heat pump for heating, which shifts the demand from gas to electricity. Finally, we estimated the tons of carbon emissions avoided per year based on each scenarios, and we found that scenario 3 avoids the most emissions with a total of 152.6 tons CO2 per year.